The Liberia Anti-Corruption Commission, under the Social Accountability and Transparency Project, managed by UNDP with funding from the UN Peace Building Fund, conducts capacity building training for local government officials from Bong, Lofa, and Nimba Counties. The aim is to strengthen transparency and promote greater accountability in the delivery of public services.
We stand on the threshold of possibility. In a region rich in heritage and hope, we have gathered to confront one of the greatest challenges to our progress. That challenge is number one enemy, corruption. We are here because we believe in something greater than ourselves. We believe in Liberia. We believe in a Liberia where leadership is not tainted by greed or anchored in honor. We believe in communities where transparency is not an idea, but a daily standard. And we believe that each of us has the power to be the difference. This workshop is more than a training. It is empowerment. It is a call to rise up, to equip ourselves with the tools, the knowledge, and the courage to lead with integrity. It is a mission to rebuild trust where it has been broken and to shine a light where shadows of corruption still lingers.
Local governance is where trust is either built or broken. And I would like to commend the LACC for its equals leadership in advancing integrity systems within local governance. The training this week is a significant step under the astute leadership of the LACC in its strive to combat corruption and as a menace in our society, but to build your capacity as stalwarts and people that will safeguard the public peace. We as UNDP, UN Women and Integrity Watch recognizes the immense responsibility you carry, and we are here to support you under the Peace Building Fund support.
Do you know this law?
Yeah.
This is the Local Government Act of 2018. This law, that is your guiding principle, that your Bible for Christians, that your Quran for Muslims. Right?
Yeah.
You have, as a local government officer, as a staff working in the county, you have to familiarize yourself with this law. And this is what the law says. This law upholds transparency and accountability. The local government law. And the Ministry of Internal Affairs, headed by Honorable Francis Akila Yimale, will hold you responsible if you don't adhere to this law. Chapter 7 of the Local Government Law of 2018 is very clear in text and context. It states, and I quote, all local governments shall prioritize adoption of systems and measures to prevent corruption and improve internal controls in the administration of the county, city, and townships affairs. Such measures shall include adoption of code of conduct, adoption of anti-corruption standards and regulations contained in the acts creating the Liberia Anti-Corruption Commission and the Public Procurement and Concession Commissions, as well as standards, rules, and regulations of civil service.
I think that this training is very much important. We need to develop our local officials to have knowledge about the LACC, because anything that you know about will help to safeguard you from getting into danger. So the training is very much important that together we all can sit in one room for the past 3 days, where we all can clearly understand the functions and methods of the LACC and what it entails, what are their roles and responsibilities, and also we as local leaders, how can we together work with them when it comes to educating our people to safeguard themselves. So I do believe that at the end of this training, when we get back in our communities, we will be able to serve as peace ambassadors to talk to our various women that even in the home, corruption starts from the home. So if you have this knowledge, you can be able to start from your home and or you can carry it in your communities and also in the society. So I think this training is very much important, and I think we're going to try and say we need to tell everyone that we can clearly understand the role of the LACC.
For me, in the case of county administrative officer, I have the oversight responsibility by supervising all the local authorities like the district commissioner, the statutory district, the paramount chief, clan, and zone. Those who were not able to be part of here in our Palawa Hall discussion, in terms of development meeting, in terms of any other meeting, I will always touch this training, about this training, to guide them, because it's not about everybody will come to benefit from the training. But even though they may come, but we take gradual process. But we who were first to benefit must be able to pass the information on to them. We should not only be the hero and fail to pass the information.
For this particular workshop, we've been focused on training the participants, which are local government officials, commissioners, district commissioners, financial commissioners, superintendents, chiefs, magistrates, city mayors, on the various legislation related to anti-corruption, but even in terms of what they do for them. We had the chairperson of the LACC spent some time talking about the asset declaration. It was a very interesting session. But overall, just from the feedback we're getting, it seems like these trainings are really needed. We were surprised to learn that a lot of these new legislation, especially the ones that have been promulgated in the last 5 years, a lot of the folks didn't even know about them. They didn't even know what rights they had as a whistleblower, as a witness protection if they came out and they reported acts of corruption. So it's been interesting. We're having a lot of feedback, and so we're going to continue this. This is the first one, focus on the regions of Bong County, Lofa, and Nimba, and then we'll then go ahead and do another region. I think maybe next time we'll go to Zwedu to do southeastern region, but that's what the plan is. Again, I just want to take this time to thank all of the participants, to thank the UNDP, to thank all of those people who took time off their business schedule to come to this workshop, and we look forward to more collaboration. Thank you so much.
Social Accountability and Transparency Project is transforming civic engagements across Liberia. Designed to empower citizens and communities, this initiative fosters transparency and accountability in public service delivery and governance. The project is making its impact felt in all 15 counties of Liberia, helping to build a more inclusive and transparent society. With funding from the UN Peace Building Fund, the project is managed and implemented by UNDP in collaboration with UN Women and Integrity Watch Liberia.